Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review a browser called LibreWolf. Now, you might have heard such a browser, but this is not a new browser. This browser was here in the market for quite a long time, and it was in a different name. Now, talking about this browser is a fork of Firefox. So basically, to put it in simple words, it's built from the latest Firefox sources, and the LibreWolf people or the developers promise us that they always synchronize with the latest Firefox updates or to their latest source and bring us updates. Now, to talk about LibreWolf browser, well, before we go into much detail about the LibreWolf browser, definitely you can consider this browser as an alternative to Firefox. If you are using Firefox, you can give it a try to this browser. This browser offers extra security and safety features too. So let us start reviewing the browser. Now, this is the first launch after that I have installed this application onto my laptop. Now, we get a default black theme. So there are many options. So let's review the options first. Now, to access the options, there is a menu over here. So you can see what all options we have over here. First of all, let's review settings page. This is how the settings page looks like. As I've told you, this browser gives more importance to safety and privacy of the user who is using this particular web browser. So these all are the options that are available in the browser, settings page. As you can see, you can set browsing smooth scrolling if you want. A lot of things can be customized, and a lot of things can be set from the settings page. Now, this is how this home tab looks like. If you want to have a which page you want to open in the tab settings, that you can control it from here. So you can change it to custom URLs, and if you are opening new tabs, you can set it as blank page or the default home page. As you can see, let me open it up. Okay, this is the default home page. And searching, we can customize the search bar from here. So you can either add a search section over here or use the default search bar and navigation. So next, we can set custom search engines. Honestly speaking, they don't have Google or Bing search engines. They only provide those search engines which are privacy oriented. So these are the search engines that you get here. So you don't get default Google or Bing search engines. So these all are the things that are available here. Privacy and security. Now, this is the most searched term. Privacy. We all are concerned about privacy. Now, while browsing, we do not know whether we are safe or not. But this browser, it offers extra security layers. There are 3 settings available: standard, strict, and custom. And in custom, you can define what all things, different parameters. So these are the different parameters that are available in the custom settings. I always prefer to keep it strict. So let us take it as it is. Well, do not track. This is when, if you want to enable it, you can enable it. Cookies, site data, login and passwords, history, address bar. Now you can even set custom permissions. If you want to access if a particular website just want to access location, you can set it from here. You can add the website here, and you can add and remove websites from here for the different permissions such as location, camera, microphone, notification, etc. etc. Now let us go to the extensions and themes. Of course, you are getting the extensions, default extensions, or you are getting the extensions from the Firefox. So whatever extensions that are available for Firefox can be used in LibreWolf too. Now themes, I cannot say that there are a lot of themes that are available, but these all are the themes that are available as of now. So let us enable this lush soft theme to our LibreWolf. Wow. It looks really cool. I guess white theme is better than dark theme, whatever that they are giving. So these all are in general the settings and stuff like that. So let's try to see how good it is in browsing. So let me open up Google. Still going to Google for each and everything, because yeah, it is something that we are familiar with. Let me type in a newspaper name. So let's select this newspaper menus. Okay, fine. Let's load their page. Now I can tell you the website loading is pretty much fast, and the scrolling is also smooth. As you can see that normally these news websites, they are bulky. I mean, in bulky means they have a lot of graphics, they have a lot of dynamic content. So it's pretty much, in some browsers it is pretty much slow in loading, but this is great, and it's pretty much easily loading and easy scrolling too. Now, talking about the safety features of the browser, I just forgot to tell you something. The uBlock is being default installed extension onto this browser. uBlock is an open source ad blocker and stuff like that. So it's being installed default on this browser. So you can see how many things are blocked on this particular website and stuff like that. So that also adds extra safety features. Now this is how LibreWolf looks like, and I do recommend it to install into your laptop or desktop, whatever personal computer you are using. It's supporting Macintosh, Apple, basically Apple computers, Windows and Linux. So this is much more about LibreWolf, and I have taken you through the necessary UIs, I mean user interface of LibreWolf. And if you do like such a browser, if you are concerned about privacy, if you are concerned about your safety while you are browsing, so definitely you can give it a try to this such amazing browser. Now, there are a couple of disadvantages for the LibreWolf browser. If you are using Google Chrome or Google accounts for many activities such as storing passwords and login to different pages, then of course this won't be happening in LibreWolf, since it's a Firefox fork, as well as it doesn't allow you to log into your Gmail account from the browser itself. So yeah, definitely you can store logins and passwords if you want to do that. That is possible. But still, if you are using your Gmail account for each and everything, definitely it will be a problem for you. So that's the only drawback here. And other than that, the browser is easy to use, easy to navigate, and it's quick loading, and it provides smooth scrolling too. So once again, many thanks for watching the video. Please make sure that you stay subscribed to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.